Hey YouTube, welcome back to another Roblox video. Today we're playing Cash Grab Simulator, and we're going to be playing this, and I'll give a bit of codes, all the codes I knew. I didn't redeem them yet. So yeah, hope you enjoy it. Make sure to slam that like button, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for 23 subscribers, and let's go ahead and hop right in the video. So the first code I'm going to give you guys is cash for, like this, cash for life. If I'm correct, code redeemed, and it gives, I think, 150 for 100 cash. 100 cash. So yeah, it's a bit helpful for like the stars. Oh, bees in the server. And yeah, this thing is you can get those. So we're gonna go ahead and find the people we want to find, and let's gonna try to find them. And let me see There's no, the other code for that gives $100 again is coffee, and then this coffee, like that, infusion 1. Wait, what? Let me see one more time. Maybe I spelled something wrong. Coffee. And then that. Infuse. Infusion 1. I don't know why it's not working. I don't know why. Whatever, leave it. There's another code, cash for gold. For gold. And oh, I lost connection. Great. My bad, guys. I lost connection. Let's go ahead and join another server. Sorry, I lost connection, guys. Let's go ahead and go to another server. By the way, the next code is cash for gold. Cash, and then the number 4, and then gold. Before it was cash for life. Now it's cash for gold. Let me just show you right now. We're in another server. Cash for gold. Gold already dreamed. What? Let's try then. Oh, I already redeemed it from the last video. Here, it's already redeemed because I did the first when I lost connection. So yeah, now let's go ahead and now it's time to find the people that we want to. Why am I so laggy? Before I wasn't laggy, now I'm laggy. Oh come on, I wanted him. Oh wait, that NC whatever. I know. Yeah, it is. It is. Yeah, you got 1 customer. Good. We need more. Is that NC whatever? No, he's a pro. Right, come here. Trying to find another NC over here. Oh, that's girl. This girl. No, she's only casual. Oh my god, I'm lagging so much. Sorry about this lag, you. So laggy today. When I was playing before, it wasn't laggy. Oh, perfect. Ugh. Oh, dude, I'm lagging. I can't. Oh, there. Oh my god, holy, I'm lagging. Holy lag, holy. Oh, another one. Another one of them. Oh my god, holy. I'm sorry about this lag. But at least you guys know the codes, so don't blame me. At least you guys know the codes. Which, I'll try, let's see. I'll give you guys more codes. I think I got a mistake here. It's COFFEE. Then this coffee infusion 1. Yeah, here. It gives you a speed boost, see? We're running and running. See guys, we're running. Oh, the bank's the wrong way. So, that's all the codes I know. I know more. If you guys know more, okay. But I don't know more codes. That's all the codes I know. Make sure to like if you want more videos of those. Oh, wait, what? Wait, he's a pro. Where are the more? I want more of those people. More interiors. He's wearing the Mr. V merch. Well, Mr. V, if he's watching this, he'd like this. The Mr. V merch. Let's just schedule. Oh, finally found another Infist, whatever that guy mean. That one. Oh, another Infist, I think. No, that's a casual. Come on, more Infists. Oh, he does that Infist. Infist. Oh, no. The black got spot. I don't care, I want another Infist. Come here. Lag. I'm lagging so bad. So sorry, guys. So sorry. Super sorry. Hopefully the codes will forgive you. Cause I'm sad. Alright, so oh my god, the girl's blocking the way. I want more lag. I think I'll end it off here. Hope you enjoyed that codes video. Mostly it's about codes. If you did, make sure to like for more videos of this cash grab simulator. And I will catch you guys next time. Peace out. Good. Alright, actually, I don't want to do that. Peace.